Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide name on Cash App. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch up Cash App, come here to the top right and just click on your profile icon. And that would redirect you to this page right here. I want you to scroll down until you see account and settings, and from here tap on security and privacy option. And from here I just want you to go ahead and scroll down until you find the cash tag section. Okay, so you'll see this right here, the cash tag section, and you'll see Cash App. So this one basically allows others to find you and your name at this Cash App tag, right? So all you need to do is just come over here and toggle this one off. And once you toggle it off, no one will be able to find you on the Cash App using your name or cash tag. So that's it for this video. So I hope it helped you. If it did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.